Welcome to this session of Mathematics Primary 1. I'm Tr.Lillian. Today we are going to start with this counting numbers 1 up to 100. But we are not going to count these numbers right now. We are going to count them with your parents or your sister, your brother. You count numbers from number 1 up to 100. And if you have that chart which has those numbers, that one is very fine because those are the numbers which you are going to use everywhere. Meaning that if you don't have them on the chart, you are free to write them down from number 1 up to 100. Alright? Then let's start with this number. They've asked us which number comes before. Which number comes before? When you are counting those numbers, now we have this number 5. Which number comes before 5? If you are counting, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, which number did you reach first before reaching number 5? Or you can get 5 balls, you take away 1, and the number remaining with that will be the answer here. Now when you consider, it's better you consider those numbers you wrote down or the reading chart. Now the number which comes before will be number 4. That's the number which comes before 5. Then here we have 18. When you look at those numbers of yours, which number comes before number 18? Which number comes before 18? Okay? Thank you. That's number 17. Then we come to 49. Now, when you look at those numbers, your chart, all the numbers which you wrote down, which number comes before 49? Or you can take away 1 digit from this 49. What you remain with, that's the answer. And our answer will be 48. That's the number which comes before 49. Then here we have dash and then 2. Which number comes before 2 when you are counting? I've said you can either draw, if you don't have those counting numbers where you can check, you can draw the 2 balls, you cross out 1, then what you remain with, that's the answer. Here you remain with the 1, meaning that number 1 comes before 2. Then let's look at our next number. We have which number comes after or which number comes just after. Now here we have 78. Which number comes just after 78? If you don't have your reading chart, you can now after there we just add there 1 digit. Now if you add 1 digit on 78, what you get, that's the number. Or you can count those numbers until you reach 78 and you see the number which comes after 78. And when I add 1 here, our answer will be 79. Here we have 6. The number which comes after 6, that is 7. Here we have 3. If you add 1 digit on 3, or if you count the numbers, the next number or the number which comes after is 4. Then here we have 10. The number which comes after 10, that's number 11. Right? Okay, then we go to number 4. They've said, what number comes between? What number comes between? We have, here we are supposed to have 3 digits. And they've given us the 2. They need the one which is between, which is in between, which is missing. Which number is there? The first number is we have 1 dash 3. Now, which number comes between? Or which number is between 1 and 3? Still, look at your counting numbers. You will see the number which comes between. Now here we have 1, 3. Or you can say which number comes immediately after this number 1, this first number here. And that will be 2. We come to 8, dash, then 10. Now, which number comes immediately after 8? That is the number between, which is our number 9. Then we come to 67 and 69. Which number is between? This is between there. Meaning that you can either add 1 digit here on the first number, and then we get 67 and 69, the number between will be 68. Then we have 27-29. Still we can add one digit there, which is 28. After doing that, now the answer, those are the numbers between. Okay? Then when we look at our number 5, there is count and write the numbers. Count and write the numbers. And if they tell you to write the numbers, my dear, don't write the words. Because they've specified, they've told you they need only the numbers. But if they just say count and write, there you are free to write what you want, either a number or a word. But here they've said count and write the numbers, meaning that they want only the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write there your number 5. If you write there the word 5, your answer will be wrong. Then we come to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still here we write number 10. Okay, let's go to our next number, which is number 6. Which number is greater? Which number is greater? And then when they talk of greater, they mean which number is bigger. Here we have 4 and 10. When you compare those two numbers, let's draw the balls here. Here 4, let's put our 4 balls. And here it is 10, let's draw the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, when you compare these two, 4 and 10, these are the balls which you've drawn. Now, which one is bigger or which one which one is greater? Now, when I compare these two, 10 is greater. Or you can say 10 is greater than 4. Then the next one is 14 and 9. Still, let's draw the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we are comparing the two. Have 14 and 9. We've drawn our balls. Now, when you compare this, which one is greater or which one is bigger? Okay, that is number 14. 14 is greater or 14 is greater than 9. Right? Then let's go to our number 7. Number 7 is which number is less? And if they talk of less, they mean the number which is smaller or the smallest. Which number is it smaller? Which number is less? Then here we have 2 and 1. Still, let's draw the balls. 1, 2. And then here, 1. Now when we compare 2 and 1, which one is less? Meaning that is 1. 1 is less or 1 is less than 2. Then here we have 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Still, let's put our balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when you compare the two, 5 and 8, we've drawn the balls. Which one is less? Which one is less? Our answer is 5. 5 is less or 5 is less than 8. Okay? Then our next number, which is number 8. When I look at number 8, they've asked us which number is the least or smallest. Which number is the least or smallest? Here we have 3, 5, 4. Now, which number is the least or which number is the smallest? We have 3, 5, 4. Now, back to our counting numbers. Those numbers which we looked at before. Now, when you look at your chart or the numbers which you wrote, now which number number do you see first? Or which number is the least? And that is our number 3. 3 is the least. Then we come to this, we have 9, 13, 2, and then 12. Now we have 4 numbers. When you compare those 4 numbers, which number is the least? Which number is the least? Or which number is the smallest? 9, 13, 2, and 12. And the least number here is number 2. Okay? Then, let's go to number 9. On number 9, they've told us to arrange the numbers starting with the least or smallest. Arrange the numbers starting with the least or smallest. And here we have 8, 3, 6. Back to our counting numbers. That's where we are going to compare from, or that's where we are going to, and when they tell you to arrange numbers, starting with the smallest or least, this one is the same as arranging numbers in ascending order. Arranging numbers in ascending order. If they tell you to arrange numbers according to that to ascending order, they are telling you to start from the smallest. Now when I look at this, 8, 3, 6. The smallest number is 3, 6, and then 8. Alright? Then we got the next one. We have 10, 6, 0, and then 4. 10, 6, 0, and then 4. Now, which one is the smallest or which one is the least? And that is 0, 4, 6, and then 10. Then the next one they told us, arrange the numbers starting with the biggest. The other one was from smallest, and we say that is ascending order. Now number 10, they are telling us to arrange the numbers starting with the biggest. And if they tell you to arrange numbers starting with the biggest, that one we call it descending order. That one we call it descending order. Now, when I compare those 4 numbers, 2, 4, 3, 5, which number is the biggest? And that's number 5. Number 5, then 4, 3, and 2. Okay? Still we have these 7, 8, 15, and 6. We want to start with the biggest. And the biggest figure here is 15, 8, 7, and then 6. That is arranging these numbers according to descending order. Then here we have 14, 74, and 11. The biggest one is 74, 14, and then 11. Now let's look at our last subtopic today, or sub-theme, which is place values. Place values. And according to our level, when we are dealing with the place values, we shall look at tens and ones. Tens and the ones, that is our level. Tens and the ones. But for today, as for now, we are going to look at ones only. And when we are dealing with the ones, we just draw the sticks. And numbers, and with those numbers under ones, those are the numbers with 1 digit. And they range from 1 to 9. 1 to 9. They give you number 1. If they tell you to draw counting ones, just draw one stick. Now here we have drawing and counting the ones. Here we have number 6. It is just 1 digit, meaning that that number is under ones. That is its place value. And under ones, we said we just draw the sticks. Now here we are going to draw 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here we have 4 still. If it is just one digit like here, it is under one nose. If I put this zero like this is the symbol for one nose. Now here we are going to draw still 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't tie them, we just draw them like that. You leave them like that. Then we have number 9. When I look at number 9, still it is just one digit. It is also under the place value of one nose. And this is number 9, meaning that you are going to draw 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If they give you 8, when it is just number 8 and they tell you to draw and count, under the place values just draw these sticks. We don't tie them. That has been the end of our lesson.